Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, he's a nice one. FishNBuds, Mark the shark. Ooh, he's a nice one. Oh, he's a nice one. Yeah. He's a nice one. Let me get some of that. Let me get that. Come here. Come here. Told you if I set this hook. Come on, shark. Bring him up. Ooh, he's a nice one. You don't even see him. There you go, right there. There you go, right there. Will, get him in the net. There you go. I ain't let him hop over the net. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, Mark the shark in this thing.
Get the minnow back in the water, my brother.
Look inside. You are still black if your skin's light. Skin's white. Don't forget about it. I know it's over here. Come here. Circle it, baby. Come on. You go. Come on, bro. Get one. Go out there in the middle. Why you mad? You mad? Look at y'all. Look. Mark the shark, baby. FishNBuds. FishNBuds is Mark the shark. I'm about to show y'all real quick what I'm catching on out here in the creek. We got a few setups. We just got a basic swivel with a hook over there. We have a classic slip sinking bobber. And I'm gonna be honest, the slip bobber, that's probably where I'm gonna be at forever. Yeah, about three, four pounds almost. That slip bobber is where it's at, you know. But right now on these catfish, I got me 2 running egg weights. I got me a steel leader line, and then I got a nice circle hook, nice size circle hook. I think this maybe two or 3 aught. And then I just put this new line. Shout out Mayday. Shout out Mayday. I just put this new line on here. What's this, man? That spider? No, that's that. Yeah, that's that suffix. That pro mix right here, y'all. Low vis green. 14 pounds. Perfect. Perfect for the creek. Perfect for anywhere, really. Shout out Mayday. But yeah, we're gonna get back to it. Now, I got the good old Shakespeare, of course. Now, y'all know how I'm rocking at the creek. Y'all already know what's going on. Shakespeare, baby. Shout out Shakespeare. I love y'all rides, man. Premium. Everything is great about it. The way it bends, the way it folds, the way it hooks them. It gets them in. Shakespeare, baby. Thank y'all. It's Mark the Shark, FishNBuds. What you doing? No. I thought that was a bass. That was a baby, y'all. Bro, yeah, cause I was over here practicing my cast, like how y'all, you know how you and V be doing that little side jump, and so I just left it there where it was, bro, and boy, he smoked it, bro. I'm talking about that minnow had no chance. As soon as it got over there, he started dancing, right? As soon as my minnow got over there, he started dancing, and the crab, he just smoked it. I thought it was a bass. He smoked it that hard. He smoked it, y'all. Man, oh my goodness. This creek is going crazy right now. Need a net? Need a net? There you go. My whole cup. Where your cup at? It dropped. working on me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woo! Mark the shark. He hit in the water, y'all. Look at that ear. Circle hook, baby. It's getting them done today. Nice pounders, 2 pounders. Nice 2 pounders. We got a bucket full of catfish, y'all. We got a bucket full of these catfish, y'all. Mark the shark, baby. Oh, that's a catfish. That's a catfish. Yeah, that's a catfish. Show you how to get some. Leave my camera on. Man. I told you, bro. Bro, my bobber. You want to keep him? Brim action. Like pan size. I'll throw him back. Oh, this a crappie! Yo, Will, this a crappie! Bro, off the worm! Off the worm! What? Oh, he engulfed it, bro. Will. You want him, bro? Bro, this a crappie, bro. Off the worm. And you're lying. Off the worm, bro. He hit so strong. Oh, this is shell cracker. That mother about bigger than crappie. Hell yeah.